Just found this brilliant feature on Chrome. Well, Chromebooks. Go to settings, Diagnostics. You click on it, and you can go to Diagnostics here, and you can do a battery run discharge test. You can do this run CPU test and run memory test. The memory test takes about 15 minutes. The battery test just takes a few minutes. I'll run the battery test. So less than a minute remaining. Well, it's not, obviously I'm not charging at the minute, so it can't test the charging. I'll just plug the charger in and see if it will do that. I'll let it do that test anyway. No, it's done it already. So passed. Discharge 0% in 30 seconds. So I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. Yeah, resume. So run charge test as well, so you can do a charge and a battery test on it. And it also gives you good information on it as well. Cycle counts, current, battery health. So obviously it tests the charge and the discharge, so I'll stop that test. Then you've got the run CPU test. And it tests all these. Your stress test, so obviously it's going to push it up to 100% and make sure it's working properly. Your cache test, that's like memory it's got built into the, so it's testing its own memory that's built into the chip. Floating point accuracy and prime search tests, I have no idea what they are, but obviously they're important. So I'll stop that test. And lastly, you got run memory. It takes about 15 minutes. And I suppose it's just checking all the memory's addresses and making sure it can hold and clear itself. But it takes 15 minutes, so I'm not going to put that on. But that's an excellent thing built into it. You've also got this connectivity, troubleshoot steps for no Wi-Fi. So that's pretty good.